Hello friends, how are you all? So today I'm going to tell you how you can set iOS 16 lock screen in your iPhone. So let's start. So to set iOS 16 lock screen, you need to jailbreak your iPhone first. After jailbreaking the iPhone, you have to open the Zabra app. You can also do the same thing with Slio or Cydia, but I'm using Zabra app. After opening the app, you have to search AIM. After searching AIM, you have to install it by clicking on install. It will take a few seconds to install. After installation, as you can see, the iOS 16 lock screen is applied. Thanks, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. See you soon in the next video.